Hello, all of you. Welcome to Captain English International Improve Your English program. Today's topic is nature. Nature. I am trying to say something about the nature, a vast entity and subject, which is being described seriously and widely all over. This is only a humble endeavor in this topic. Kindly listen and improve your English language also. For joining our English course, our website's link is given in the comment box www.captainenglishforall.com. Our mobile number is 81225 74685. Another number 94430 17831. Nature. Nature is power. Thinking and speaking about nature really is a great pleasure for all. Have you ever thought of nature and the plants around us? If not, start it now itself. It will give you a soothing effect to your mind. When we are under heavy pressure or suffering from any pain or suffering from any sort of problem, just look around and see the nature. I don't mean to look around and see the big trees, forests, and all the like, but I mean just look down to the ground. You can see a number of grasses, small plants, small flowers. On many occasions, we may not have given so much concentration or attention on these types of small plants and flowers. Do you know that tremendous work is done by these plants and trees? Really wonderful things are done by them. If you think very deeply and seriously, you will understand many facts that we can't destroy even a single plant. Grass, we can't pluck any flower from that plant because they are the saviors of our life. I have a hobby of watching these types of plants and grasses and even tiny creatures like ants, insects, and anything of the same. I used to wait for a while when walking along to watch the insects and their behavior pattern of it because it gives me intense pleasure and peace watching these types of creatures. How wonderful is the nature? Unlike us, the nature has its own regular routine of maintaining and retaining the basic quality of the nature itself. We human have never noticed the wonderful activities of the ants or insects. Geographical scientists are of the opinion that if human gets extinct from the earth, nothing will happen to the world. But if all the insects get extinct, many living creatures like human and even animals or birds cannot survive on this earth. This is a tragic truth. So, it is the duty of we human to save the nature and retain the habitat of plants and trees and other living creatures. Even around 40 to 50 percentage of the forests have been destroyed by human. So, we are under great threat and danger of survival on earth. So, at least now on, all of us should take saving the nature as our basic responsibility. Kindly keep watching our channel regularly to think on various useful things and to improve your standard of English also. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this channel and place your comments in the comment box also. Next episode is in process. Wait for it. And thank you for watching our channel. Thank you very much.